How to log out or sign out of your iCloud account on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can either log out or sign out of your iCloud account on your iPhone. So to do that, first of all, go to settings, and then on the top side you can see your name. Simply tap on it. After that, you can see your iCloud account and all the information over here. So if you look closely on the bottom side, you can see the option sign out. Simply tap on it, and now it will ask you to enter your Apple ID. And now it will ask you to enter your Apple ID password. So simply enter that over here and then tap on the option turn off. And now if you want, you can keep a copy of your data on this iPhone. But if you don't, simply tap on the option sign out. And then a pop-up will appear where it will ask you whether you are really sure you want to sign out of your iCloud account or not. So simply tap on the option sign out. And now it will copy your iCloud data, and there you have it. So that is basically how you sign out of your iCloud account on your iPhone. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.